He's a little lizard. See if we can get our skink. He's a flying. There he is. We got a pool enclosure. You can see all the mold. Now this is one thing that I have never done. I've never done a pool enclosure. Why? Because we live in a place that don't have pool enclosures. This is something, you see how dirty it is? It's all nasty, it's all aluminum. It's gonna be as just a house wash. We do have to watch when you're spraying on the other side, make sure we see whatever flowers. We don't want to be hurting them. So basically all I've been told, I'll put some video of how it comes clean, is you just spray just like a normal house wash. It's nothing special. Got some plastic PVC deck railing, which that's like gravy train. Who likes the gravy train? I like the gravy train. Gravy train is fun. Jason is inspecting it. Inspector Gadget.
This is a $99 guy, or the homeowner. They use high pressure, and you can see
the turbo nozzle.
They left swirls on their paint. They've already damaged the paint, so I'm going to try to catch the customer before we even start and bring all this out to him. And let them know that we're going to be exposing
some of that.
You can see it up there too. We're going to be exposing
all the way up there.
All the way up. Every girder is affected here.
Yeah. So, somebody had a big long pole. Look at that one way over there. I don't know if I'll be able to see it. That's pretty neat.
So we've already brought something to their attention that they were using high pressure on a painted surface, and it's already gone down to the concrete. We've already brought that to them, so I need to go get them again.
Yeah.
And let them know. So I'll be back.
All right. So you can see right here where he sprayed the ground and the bleach flashed up, sodium hypochlorite, and it cleaned it there. Dirty and clean. Again, you can see where the soap ran and soap didn't run. Soap ran, soap didn't run.